Yes, I'm Roman, and today we are in Anzin. This is a French commune in the suburbs of Valenciennes, and that is in the Nord department and specifically in the Hauts-de-France region. So today we are here to discover the city and see what it has to offer. Let's go.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
So be careful, pay attention, or children. So usually it's just a warning sign to say, hey, pay attention to our children because they should be crossing here because they have school, I suppose. So drive carefully. Yeah. Direction Jeunesse Sport. Also, this is an association for youth, sports, and association life, as well as children. Interesting. Wait, is that the moon? Oh yeah, wow. So you guys know it is super early. And here's where you have all the trams going to Valenciennes and maybe elsewhere. If you hear that bell, it's actually coming from the tower there. It's really nice. I suppose that this is the town hall. which looks weird for a town hall, or it could be that thing. That's the place we saw earlier with the Christmas design and the snow on the floor at the entrance. But my GPS says I am at the town hall, but I don't know. Anyways, that is it for video today of Anzin. I hope you enjoyed the city. There's so much more to see. Well, like, when I say so much, I mean smaller little areas, little places, and maybe even some interesting things. But surely I can't show you all of the city. If you'd like to see more, certainly you may come here and have a look. With that said, I'll see you next time. Ciao.